Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. If your dishwasher is an integrated model, pause the video and follow these steps to gain access. The cable wire and plug on this Bosch dishwasher is found on the rear in the bottom left corner. They can be a little tight to remove. Unpackage your new cable wire and plug. To attach, make sure the new wire fully clicks into place. Then, attach the plug end to your electrical socket. And that's it! Your new dishwasher cable wire and plug is all set to go.